Discord is releasing their own Nitro trading card collectible set, and I was actually lucky enough to have them send me out an early release of their upcoming booster box set. This here is the World of Nitro booster box set. It comes with 6 different booster packs, each having 10 different cards inside of them, with a total of 23 unique cards that you can collect from the entire set. My luck with stuff like this usually isn't that great, but the goal is going to be to try to get all 23 cards from this booster box set. This is all a part of Discord's evolution of Nitro, where they just recently announced that Nitro now comes with Xbox Game Pass, and even more additional perks like getting up to 30% off discounts on Logitech gaming products, and even special discount codes for SteelSeries gaming products. A big shout out to Discord for sending this out to me. Now let's see what kind of cards we can get. So this is what our packs look like here. They have a really nice holographic effect. You can see as I kind of move it around here, you have a nice picture of Wumpus on the front, and then on the back here, you have a little bit of information about Discord Nitro and this collectible card set. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I can't really remember the last time I opened a pack like this, so I don't really know the best way to go about it. I'm just gonna kind of rip it down here. If there's any card enthusiasts or Pokemon enthusiasts like that watching this video, hopefully you don't mind the way that I'm opening this pack here. Okay, so I got the pack open. This is kind of what the cards look like from the back here. You have a really nice Discord logo there. So we're just gonna kind of jump in and see what we got out of the first pack. So our first one, we have Wumpus around a campfire, 3 Nitro friend passes. We have a nice winter themed card, extended quest decorations. We have a shop member pricing card. We have a larger file uploads card. And then we have a Wumpus riding a server boosting logo. That one is pretty funny. Server boost or 2 server boosts and discounts on extras, which comes with Nitro. We have a nice little pink themed card, custom app icons. That one's really cute. We have a custom and animated emojis anywhere. We have, oh, we got our first really nice rare looking card. If you want to see this one, it's got a nice little effect to it. If I could get the camera to properly focus here, there we go. You can see it's got a nice little holographic effect to it. This one is the Orbs multiplier for Discord Nitro. And then we got another pretty nice one here that's got a nice little glitter shimmery effect here. If I could get the camera to focus again, you can see it. That's got a really nice little effect to it. That one is for SteelSeries discounts, as we talked about earlier. And then we got another pretty nice little holographic effect one here for Xbox Game Pass. So you can see once the camera focuses, that is a really nice card. I actually really like the colors on that card. So not too bad of our first set. We got 3 nice little rare cards here. As you can see, I think every pack comes with 3 of these. I might be mistaken. We're gonna find out once we jump into the next pack. What I'm gonna do here is just set out all the cards that I'm getting here on the desk. And then at the end of the video, I'll give you guys a full overview if we are able to kind of get all 23 cards and how much duplicates we've got of each different card. We didn't get any duplicates out of that first set, which is actually really good. So we're just gonna jump into the next pack. Don't judge me. I got scissors to open the rest of these packs just to make it easier on my life. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this next pack here, take these cards out and see what we got. Okay, so jumping into the second pack, we have shop member pricing. This is a duplicate here. We have extended quest decorations. We have 3 Nitro friend passes. So far we are 3 for 3 on duplicates. We have a new card, custom stickers anywhere. Okay, we'll go ahead and set that down there. We have global soundboard sounds, another new card. We have animated avatars and banners, another new card. Profile themes, which is another new card here. And then also we got, another rare card, Logitech G discounts. This is a new card here. You can see it's got a nice little shimmery effect to it as well. We're gonna go ahead and set that down here in our rare card pile. We have another SteelSeries discount card here. So another SteelSeries rare gift card. And then also another new card, monthly orb drops. This one's got a nice little holographic effect to it as well. Okay, I'm gonna throw a picture up on the screen for you guys. So far, after opening 2 packs, we have 16 out of the 23 cards. So I don't know if my luck is really good, but that's pretty good progress. Okay, so now we are jumping into pack number 3. We have custom app color themes. I believe that is a brand new card. So we'll go ahead and set that in a new pile. We have another new card for HD streaming. We have display name styles. I believe that's another new card. Yeah, it is. We have per server profiles, another new card. Evolving profile badge. That is something new that they just released, I believe, last year. Pretty nice little feature. 2 server boost discount on extras. We have that. We have the custom app icons. We got another of the holographic orb multiplier cards here. Nice little effect there. We have another SteelSeries discount and then another Xbox Game Pass. So not bad. We did get a few new cards out of this pack, so pretty cool. Okay, that was actually a huge pack. I'm gonna throw an image up on the screen for you guys. We have 22 out of the 23 cards now, and we still have 3 packs out of here to open. So if we can't pull the last card that we need out of these 3 packs, then I'm gonna consider my luck really, really bad. I'm not gonna lie though, so far I'm pretty satisfied. We've almost completed the entire set out of only 3 packs. So let's go ahead and jump into the next pack here. I don't know what the last card we need. We have a custom app color themes, which we do already have. We have HD streaming, which we do already have. We have another display name style, animated avatars and banners. We do already have that one. Profile themes, we have that one. Per server profiles, we do have that one already. We have the evolving profile badge. We have Logitech G discounts again. Nice little rare card. We have monthly orb drops. That is one we pulled out of the first pack, I believe. And then we have another Xbox Game Pass card here as well. So I just checked the side of the box here that shows me all of the different cards that are inside the pack. It looks like one of the ones we are missing are one of these 2 mystery cards down here, because I have all of the actual picture cards already, but we are missing one of those 2 mystery cards. So let's go ahead and jump into the 5th pack and see what we can get. Okay, so jumping into the 5th pack here, we have HD streaming once again. We have display name styles. We have larger file uploads, shop member pricing. These are all duplicates here. Animated avatars and banners. We have profile themes. We have per server profiles. We have Logitech G discounts again. We have the orbs multiplier, and we have the monthly orb drops. Okay, so those were all duplicate cards. We need one more card, and we are down to our last pack of cards here. So I'm really hoping this is the lucky pack. While I'm opening this last pack here, I'm trying to think of what the last Nitro perk is that we could be missing here, because it's obviously one of the mystery cards, but I don't know what the last Nitro perk is. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in here to our 6th and final pack. We have another duplicate of HD streaming, display name styles, larger file uploads, evolving profile badge, 2 server boost. We already have that. Custom app icons, custom and animated emojis everywhere. That is one that we already have. We have orbs multiplier. We have SteelSeries discounts once again. And our last and final card that we have is another Xbox Game Pass card. So unfortunately, it looks like we are going to be missing 1 out of the 23 cards. So I have collected 22 out of the 23 cards that are available. Okay, so just to give you guys a full visual of everything that we have here, I honestly didn't even realize at the very bottom of these cards, if you guys can see them, they're actually numbered right here. You can see, didn't realize that until after I was already laying everything out. So they're not in the correct order here, but we have this is everything that we have. So you can see it got a few duplicates of some of the rare cards down here. And then in total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. We are missing 1 of the mystery cards that is in this set here. So super close to getting all 23, but unfortunately we only got 22 out of the 23. Yo, so this is me post recording. I'm started editing everything, and I realized that my numbers were actually a little bit off, and that was due to the fact of me having the custom app icons card split up into 2 different piles. So in all actuality, I ended up missing out on 2 of the 23 cards. So in total, I have 21 out of the 23 cards. Total mistake. It seems like both of the 2 cards I am missing are the mystery cards that are at the very bottom of the box here. So I missed out on both of those. Those seem to be the super rare cards. Yeah, I just wanted to throw this in at the end of the video to clarify that I am actually missing 2 cards, not 1 card. So back to the video. So that is all of our packs that we have here inside of our World of Nitro booster box set. I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Discord for sending these out to me early and letting me be a part of this really cool experience. Hopefully, maybe if there's anyone watching at Discord, if you want to send me out another set so I can maybe get that 23rd card, the very last card that I need to complete the entire set, that would be super cool. But hopefully you guys enjoyed being a part of this experience with me. If you did enjoy it, make sure to consider dropping a like to help spread this video to others, and consider subscribing to the channel if you want to stay up to date with all of my future Discord related content. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.